Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great and keep practicing your face yoga daily. I suggest you to choose 2 or 3 of my videos that I prepare for you to work with every day. You're gonna have a big difference in a couple of months. Today we are going to work on our cheeks and our nasolabial fold, if I say it right, because when our cheek is up, we look younger. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we are going to do chest opener. We put our hand on our shoulder like this and we try to open our chest by drawing a really big O with our elbow. And when we open our elbow, our shoulder like this, you imagine that you have orange behind your back at your shoulder blade and you squeeze them and you draw it. Okay, let's do it with me. We start from here and we start to draw it down and squeeze the orange and up and relax and open again, squeeze and up and down and open, squeeze, up and down, open again, squeeze, up and down. Another one, another one. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze and open, open and down. Good. Now we do other side. You rotate backward, open, squeeze, 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 up, 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 up and down. Open backward, squeeze, 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 up and down. Another one, open, squeeze the orange, up and down. Another one, squeeze, 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 it feels so good, up and down. Let's try the last one. Open, squeeze the orange and up and down. Good job. This exercise is a little bit complicated. First of all, you have to put your tongue against the roof of your mouth like this. And you pull your chin out a little bit, cover your lower lip over your lower teeth and show up your upper teeth, and then you put your thumb under your cheekbone. At the same time, you activate your cheek muscle just like you are smiling and relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder and relax your forehead at the same time. I will show you. Like this. This is what you shouldn't do. No. Okay, let's do it together. Tongue on the roof of your mouth. Smile and stay for 10 seconds. And relax, tap a little bit. Let's do the second one. Tongue on the top, chin, and smile. Really good job. Let's do the last one. Ooh, type a little bit. Ooh la la, I feel it. Put your thumb here, tongue on the roof of your mouth. Stay for 10. Oh, now we are going to do yummy face. Yummy face, you have to do like you smile, show up your teeth, and put your hand here on the side of your mouth like this, and then you stick your tongue out and move from right to left like this. At the same time, you activate your cheek muscle, okay? Stay straight, relax your shoulder, relax your forehead. Put your hand side of your mouth. Don't mind me, I look at the mirror at the same time. And smile like this. And stick your tongue out. And then move for 5 from right to left for 5 and left to right for 5. And tap a little bit. Let's do the second one. Smile, activate your cheek muscle like you're smiling, and stick your tongue out, for this time from left to right. And relax. Let's do the last one. This time we do twice. Put your hand here, smile, and stick your tongue out. Ooh, good. That's good. This time we are going to relax our cheek. You need your knuckle and you push them along your cheekbone and you slide like you massage here on just this muscle, okay? Like this. Let's do it with me. Your knuckle, push them on the side of your nose and stay a little bit and push under your cheekbone and slide a little bit along the cheekbone and on this muscle. Good. Let's do another one. Push on the side of your nose, on your cheekbone, along the cheekbone and on the side of your neck. And really good. Let's do the last one. Knuckle, push them and slide under the cheekbone and then along the cheekbone and slide them on the muscle at the neck and relax. So good. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I know you loved the video, so please give the thumbs up, comment, share, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the next video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.